Howdy guys, welcome to another episode on the Reet YouTube channel. And I'm back from New Zealand, Japan, and wherever in the world I've been. I've been to many places, and I'm jet lagged. But today, I'm gonna experience now live giveaway car, the HKS R32 GTR, the spicy RB28. Apparently this car's all been done by HKS. It's been freshly imported, hardly touched. This is my first time seeing it. I literally have not seen it. We even came back with Chelsea and Ofa and avoided looking at it because the car wasn't live and we were in and out. So I didn't even open the door of the thing, and I still haven't opened it. So first reactions from Farron. And we've also hooked up some GoPro things. There's some funky stuff going on there. But we've got in-bay mic and exhaust mic for the crispy sounds, because I want to start introducing better sounds in our vlogs for you viewers at home. So not just boring in-car footage and whatnot. Everyone wants to hear the crispiness that I'm hearing in real life at home on your TV screen. So make sure you like and subscribe if you froth this content, and we'll bring more to you. That's how it works. Enjoy this vlog.
Hit it! That's what I'm talking about. Wait!
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
Before we get into this video properly, if you are seeing this video, this car is actually now up for grabs. If you're in Australia or New Zealand, it's a 1 week only draw, capped at 4,000 entrants. That's insane. So make sure you head to our website right now or after the video, because you want to watch the video, and get your name in the draw, and you could win this gangster thing. I don't know how gangster is yet, I haven't experienced it, but I have a feeling it's gangster. So get on. So we're not even going to pop the bonnet first, because I want to see how she drives the old HKS built in Japan RB28. Oh, I haven't even heard this thing actually. No. Outstanding. Ooh. Ooh. Real touchy. Revs real fast. That's one thing I know about these RB28s. I don't know why. I think they like lighten the assembly and make it revy as. There we go. I don't know what's going on, but it says Rev 1 is limited to 9,000 RPM. Rev 2, 9,000 RPM.
Because why would you want anything else?
Are there other options, or that's it?
They are the options, but we couldn't get it to change, so we just set it to 9,000.
That's right, TJ. You watch that valve, boy. That's awesome. Oh! Jesus! Oh! The wall? Yeah. Alright, where are we going, Adam?
Up the mountain.
Up the mountain. Oh, well, first of all, we need an alignment. That's jassy with the steering wheel on, right? We've got the OG TO4Z, I think. HKS turbo. The old school technology. Feels a little bit laggy, but it makes cool sound. That's alright. Comes on slow, doesn't feel like it's hitting full boot. What's going on?
We don't know what we're doing.
It's rear wheel drive mode button.
How much power does it?
I can't remember. What does it make? 480?
460 kilowatt on 98.
460 on 98. Probably not on a 1 bar boost. I thought it ran high boost. psi, so a 460 kilowatt. If I'm going to like 1.5, 2 bar. God damn, scream. What happened? So, typical Jassy not using his brain hole. I found this right here. There's a boost controller here, an old school ghetto one. Unless it's a turbo timer. I don't know what it is, some G-ready thing. But this is the proper controller here. And that, see what it says there? What does that say, Adam?
I can't read it.
Low boost.
Low boost.
And see that there? That says high boost. So what we're going to do is... Now we got high boost. And it also has something that you can twist to give it more, so don't know. I'm just not going to play with that yet. We'll just see what high boost does first. See if she goes like it should, because I could tell straight away. I could tell straight away it just wasn't doing what it should. It wasn't performing.
I have to say, when I was in it on shoot night, I was like, it's kind of slow for what it was meant to
We
be.
set Jesse up. As I wasn't here. I'm sure you might either you've seen the ads or you haven't. But we got Jesse to do the talking while I was in Japan. He did all the ads. So we set him up on low boost. Huck done. So now we get the real experience of the HKS 460 kilowatt RB26. Maybe. So 1 bar is 14 psi. Meaning if you double that, that's 28 psi. So it should be between 1.5 and 2 bar now. So that's nice. She's frothing.
She was frothing.
That's better. Didn't hit full boost yet, but it picked up past 1 bar. You can start to feel that pull. No, done jazz. We'll get a spicy dose as well out of that HKS TO4Z. A little bit bumpy these roads. Now it should be. Probably still got more in it. I'm pretty sure you can dial that up, but it comes on hard. Sounds absolutely spicy. It has that real RB26 sound, not like a 30 or a bigger block motor. You can really hear the motor revving. I reckon it's that Manny too. I don't know what style. I want to have a look when we stop and pull over. I want to see what manifold it gives me. The same vibe as like the G-ready Manny that we had on the Shat AU RB20. It's like a distinct sound, but it sounds really good on a RB28. So yeah, I think we hit 1.5. Still not really foot flat or opening it all up all the way. But what's that? 1 bar's 14. Add 7. What's that? 21 psi. 901. And it's absolutely hauling. So that's on 98 as well. It's crazy because it means if you went on E85, that's straight away 30% more power. And then you could crank more boost in it because obviously the higher octane means more boost and she'll love it. So this is probably a 600 kilowatt package we got right now. I mean fuel system might run out, but turn her up, son. Oh. Like it's less lag. Like it really doesn't feel that lag. It's 26 lug. But you can tell it just wants to rev as well. Like 9,000 is insane. I've only ever taken an RB up to I think 8 or something. I think the Ford 25 in the 33 goes to like something like 7.5 or 8. But yeah, it just I don't know. It's comes on real hard. You can feel it as well, no doubt.
It's hard to hold the camera.
Yeah, it is. for the GoPros to hold on. Handles real nice. Alright, that's enough. Let's pull into the car and relax now. Alright, now we've parked her up, we can start the Reet rundown. So we'll pop that bonnet because I really want to see what's under here and what's going on. Oh, don't need to pull that.
I thought you were doing a bit.
Alright, I just want to quickly say, this colour, I wasn't first sold on it because I bought this car off a friend that I've got a few cars off now, a few 32 GTRs, some of our cleanest 32 GTRs, and yeah, he hit me up about this car and I was like, oh, yeah, don't know about the colour and stuff, and it had a few race themed things, one being the bonnet latches. So he's actually gone out and done a little bit of work on this thing. It had like a roll cage and stuff. I got him to pull it out. I just wasn't about, for a giveaway car, it's a street car. Yeah, racy things, like, yeah, nah, but got a carbon bonnet and these pins, and we didn't have time to get a standard one. And it's all painted in this spicy colour, which was my point, which took a while to get there. But this paint, the HKS Emerald Green, I don't know if that's like a legit colour or not. I've never heard of it before, but that's what it got sold to me as. And I absolutely love this colour in person. In the images and stuff, it just didn't look that great. Probably shot on a shat phone or something, and it just didn't pop. And especially not in the light and how glossy it is and how well it's done. It's just like a, yeah, I don't know, it's like a really nice metallic in different shades. In night, it looks like a really nice show car, and in the day, just that metallic absolutely pops. Once again, quite upset now that I've seen how this thing drives and how good this thing looks. Don't want to give away. So yeah, let's see what's cooking under here. Better be good, Jason. Ooh, not bad. Straight away you can tell it's got some of the OG JDM stank. So, one being, I think when the cars get imported, they spray it with this anti-corrosion stuff, or not anti-corrosion, I think it's a defumigation, or like, they've got some sort of cleaning process. So if you see a lot of cars from Japan, all the alloy gets absolutely ruined, and that's from that stuff. So I think the boys have tried to give it a bit of a polish up. You can definitely get it better than that. They've done a good job on the intake manifold, and the rockers I think were really stanky too. So they've sprayed them in the R34 GTR metallic red, which absolutely looks beautiful in there. The spicy TO4Z with a pretty cool HKS heat shield, which probably does absolutely nothing apart from look gangster. Yeah, I don't know what else we've actually done to this. I think this is pretty much as it came off the boat, which is quite cool. Is it a HKS? It's a Pexi. I don't know if that's HKS or not, but a Pexi Power FC. So yeah, it's probably all tuned over there, I'd say. I don't know, it'd have to be. But all the G-Ready boost controllers and all that. Yeah, look, even got HKS shocks. I was wondering what suspension. It felt quite firm, but still planted.
Even those HKS couplings.
Ooh. So it really could be just the full HKS wheel. Drop it up. Let's check that Manny. No markings. It's stainless. I'm just gonna call it a HKS manifold. Funny enough, it looks exactly like the eBay special manifolds, but there's no way they're a proper steam pipe stainless like that has that Kang colour. And what do we got down there? Screamer pipe down there. Sounds crispy. Brands or anything, it's facing down, so not gonna have much luck seeing what it is. Can't remember if it's on the ad or not, but it works, so that's a bonus. It'd be cool if there was some markings. If anyone has any idea what it might potentially be, does it have a V-band or is it? It'd be, I don't know what I'm saying at this point. But it's Kang. Yeah, standard intake manifold. If you don't know what they look like on an RB26, that's what it is. And it's even using the factory rail. Must be, yeah, some sort of like high float injectors or something, because they look really basic and really stock. It's got a rising rate fuel pressure reg, which is like a factory replacement. It could even be like a HKS product too. So I'm pretty sure what they do is over there is they give you like a full kit It's like drive in, drive out, and they've got all the stuff. Like I'm pretty sure it goes, yeah, like that intake, everything. See, it's like a special cast elbow to suit in the right spot. HKS pod filter, or the mushroom filter. So it's like they've got every part. So that's probably why you're seeing like the couplers, everything that they take off, they obviously got made as their own. I don't know if like the coolant hose neck things and all that is HKS, and if it's part of the kit, but anything they would have replaced it would be HKS. And then the stuff with the block, don't know, I might have to check my list, but it'd be cool if they put like a marking or something on it just to say like this was done at the HKS factory. It's got aftermarket sump of some sort, HKS sump. Oh, you almost see the gate. I get the phone in there. Oh. 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 It'll be good to do this on the hoist, eh? I'm filming. That's a screamer. Oh, what was that? Hey, HKS! What are the chances? Okay, that's pretty cool. HKS everything. Let's have a look at this dyno shit. Love these wheels too. A brand new Rays T37 SL in gloss black. Really goes well with the car. Sitting on some Zestino, I don't know what ones they are. 07R, very good compound. Don't know what treadwear or anything. They're quite soft. 240, not a crazy soft, but good street type. We even got, look at this, brand new carpets. So this is something the boys have done because I wanted to freshen her up. Look at that. Not even gonna let you take it off. I took it off. Ready for you. Right. So give me 1 second while I have a suss and I'll be right back with the thing. But you can see here's the HK, sorry, not HK, the Pexy, everything's HK. The power C controller. There's your boost thing. So we can, I don't want to play with, I hate playing with these things. I don't understand how they work a lot of the time. But I don't know if you just like, you can push that out. I don't know if just like, I'm not going to twist it, but you can twist it. I don't know if that's just going to up your boost. I have a feeling it probably does, but there's normally other settings you can go through to make these things work, and they confuse me, so I just don't usually touch it. Alright, so typical Jas, he left it out. But one thing that did come to mind, so this is all the import docs and whatnot. Have a look at those odometer reading. I forgot that this car has insanely low kilometers. I don't know if that's legit or not, but the clutch hasn't been changed by the looks of it. 63,000, god damn. Whether or not that's just the motor, but it might just be the car, or whether it got pulled off the road early to build that motor. Yeah, pretty cool. Imported 2020. Obviously all compliant, that's what that is right there for those people. If you're thinking this isn't compliant or anything like that, she's all compliant. Don't ask me how they comply it as it is, but she is, so you're good to go. Yeah, we did have the dyno sheet, and I was right, it was tuned in Japan and everything. It doesn't say like shop or anything. It does say, but yeah, it's all in Japanese. It's pretty cool. You might not be able to see anything. Oh, you can't see that. Jas, you see chat screen.
I'll just put it on the screen.
We'll put it on the screen. We'll put it up on the screen. If I'm right, it says 460 kilowatt up the top there, or no, it says even more than that. Actually, no, it's in PS. I don't know what PS means, but it looks like it's almost up to like 600 PS. So you can do your conversions, but I was told 460 kilowatt. So that's what we've been saying. And it looks like it runs, if this is the boost column, it says kilograms to centimeter, but it says it's around 1.3. On the gauge it was running 1.5 just then, which is 20, I think it's 21 PSI. So we can roughly work off that. It probably wouldn't hurt, like if you win this car, I'd probably just replace that ECU. But it goes absolutely like amazing and hard, and it feels really nice. But it's always safe to run like a local ECU, chuck a Howtech in there, tune her up, spice her up, put her on E85, and Bob's your Gary. Alright, so there's a couple of things that I missed, so
we're very prepared for this.
We're very prepared, as usual. This is my reaction. This is me. This is what I do. The few things I missed is, it's a HKS Stage 2 engine. Don't know what that means. the motor or the block is actually an R34 engine. Hence the R34 coloured rocket covers. I think the best thing about the 34 or the late model, even the 32 engines and 33, I think they had the long nose crank, which has the better gears for the oil pump gears, so you don't yeet oil pumps. I can't remember what else. I think there was something to do with harmonics that changed, but you can roast me in the comments and tell me exactly what it means. It's got N1 front bar, N1 side skirts, N1 headlights. N1. Don't know what that means either, but apparently they're the best. So we got it, and you can win it. We've got, so it was a twin plate clutch. It wasn't triple like I thought. It's very harsh, so I got no idea what that is. It's probably like a unsprung ORC, but it doesn't have the spicy ORC sounds the twin plates normally do, so don't quote me on it. 2A LSD, doesn't get the clunks, does it? So it must have some fresh oil, nice oil. Doesn't have the 2A clunks. 2As normally have that hectic, like engaging, disengaging noise when you're in car parks to stop it from like locking up. And it's honestly almost better to just have a lock in the diff instead of those noises, but it's actually a really good one, so must be HKS. The FXE boost gauge, trust gauges, power C, and HKS, which is in the HKS coilovers. I don't know if there's anything missed. It's got some funky coil pack thing, which I first noticed. So I reckon this is like a booster. So like LS1 coil packs have like a really strong igniter in them. The factory coil packs, which I'm guessing is what it's got, they run out at a certain boost and stuff like that. They won't handle it. So I think this is like basically like a booster for the coil packs. There's 6 of them, and it must just give it a bit spicier spark. But it looks like some Japanese stuff right there. If it works, I guess. Alright, let's jump back in and continue our cruise, and let's see if we can open it up a little bit more. Within the speed limit, obviously. A nice straight road will be nice. Let's go. What do you reckon? Cheeky 2-wheel drive, mate? Go on, you and do it. Yeah, he's faster. It's got little twin plate rattles. Where are we gonna go? Go the other way? It's a bit longer roads back. Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Can't hill start.
It's pretty steep to be
Such a harsh clutch. Oh my god! I don't know how to drive, man. I don't know what that does. It feels like it's locking up. I reckon it must be for launch or something.
Can we drive with that? We did some research off camera, and I found out that is an actual HKS manifold. There you go, they got like a sort of twin-to-one gate. I had a quick look on the HKS website, and that's what it is. So literally HKS everything. Yeah. It's got this like little whistle, can you hear it? When it like comes on boost hard. Like that. Right before it hits gate. Sounds absolutely spicy. So good. Why can't they make turbos, like current turbos? That spicy sound. Crispy.
Very crispy.
Yeah, definitely falling in love.
You like it?
Yeah, definitely one of the nicer 32s we've done. Well, I don't think we've done high power 32s, but this one just, like we've done the R500 kilowatt one, but it's a different feel. Something to do with the RB28. They just, like the rev and the sound and the feel, it doesn't feel as laggy in the way it's so punchy. Yeah, it's real nice. I highly rate it. And it's also just like everything's there and everything works as well. It's just a nice car. The colour, I'm sold. Get me some entries, Adam.
I can't.
Who can?
You can.
Oh, that's it for the review and the Farron's first reaction of the beautiful HKS R32 GTR. If you're in Australia and New Zealand, get on it, because whoever wins this, I'm jealous. And yeah, if you like the video, make sure you smack that subscribe and the like so you can see plenty more spicy content. We've actually got something coming soon that's a little bit similar to this, hint hint. So yeah, you better follow us so you can see that car when it comes up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Left foot meal.
Nice.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's it.
Thank you.
Thanks, man.
Ooh. Ooh.
You close it out. Give me a camera.
Nah, you close it.
Yeah, you close it
Nah.
No, you close it.
I'm just the voice.
Comment if you want to see Adam close it. Oh, that's it. It is now kebab time. So I want to enjoy my food without you staring at me for another second. Thanks for watching. Smack that like and subscribe. Get on the 32 GTR if you want to be in the draw. And we'll see you next time.